Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I want to cover this formula is part 5 of Excel's mastering Excel, but today I want to cover these 3 formula. The first one will be sort, second one filter, and the 3 conditional formatting. It is quite advanced, but I will try to show you how to deal with it. First of all, let me tell you the purpose of sorting. Sorting is arrange data in a specific order, which means that so I'm trying to sort here. I will try to sort the highest to the lowest. For example, based on this column of marks, I will choose the one who have above 80 or above 50. The highest to the lowest, or you can sort by ascending, or you can sort by descending. Without delaying, let me show you where I'm going to find the formula. You can come here on the data analysis, and you come here on sort A to Z, which means the highest to the lowest, or here A to Z, which is lowest to the highest. And also you can use this one, but first let us use this one, A to Z, which means highest to the lowest. First you come here, you select one cell, as you see it is selected, and you come here on highest to the lowest. You come here, you see it is sort automatically. This is 91, 90. It sort automatically this column of marks. It's easy. And if you click here also, you can click again and sort to lowest to the highest. If you click here, it automatically starts with those of 15, 27, 13, and you see it is lowest to the highest. Let me come back here and show you. If I click here and the sort to be highest to the lowest. But for our side, we are just sorting using color. This is first step. And the second step, you can select a sort using row by clicking here. But in this case, I want to select, let me sort using this row. You have seen that I have selected this row, and you come back here. Well, in this case, if we click here, it doesn't work. And also if we click here, it doesn't work. But you come here on sort, continue select it, and sort. This is going to show me this one. In this case, I'm going to select option, sort left to right, then I click OK. In this case, I'm going to sort here by row number 2, and then I click OK. You can see this was 92 was here, it is sorted by row. And if I click here also, all of them, you see it automatically change. Thank you. By what side, let me click undo. This I was showing you how to click and also to sort by row. Okay, in terms of filtering, this was a column number 2. In terms of number 1 was sorting, number 2 it is filtering. Thank you. We are going to cover also filtering. Is the most common used in Excel by data analysis. As you can see, we are not in the home tab, but we are here on data. You come here, you see an icon which is mentioned here. It's filter. But for this case, you can use a combination of keys on your keyboard. As you can see, if you you bring a mouse here, it will filter with Control plus Shift plus L, which means that if I click Control plus Shift plus L, Control plus Shift plus L, you see these laws which is appear here is the assignment shown all, and you can filter depending on what you want in this Microsoft Excel file. You see by series, by title, by first name. You can filter with any that you choose, but for us, let me filter based on this distinction or credit or pass or fail. You come here on assignments, on this row, you click on it, and then it's going to bring this new tab. Then you click on this one, should disappear, and select with distinction. Then you click OK. It's going to appear only those have max of above 80, as you can see. But also you can filter if you and we click on those fail, and they click enter. It's going to appear those who fail. You can see. As I said before, you can use this filter icon. If you click on it, it appears these laws. But also, you can use combination of Control Shift plus L. And also, by deleting this filter, if you come here, it means that you click this filtering icon. But I'm going to also to give you another bonus. I'm going to highlight it. If he succeeds, he will be in blue color. If he fails, it's going to be in yellow or in red color. I mean red color. Then you come here, you select this one. First you select this column, and you come to Conditional Formatting. You click for new rules. You come here, format only cells that contains, and you click here value. You click equal to, and then you click here success, and you click here format. You click here, you select the border or fill. It's going to fill it in blue color, and then you click OK. You apply it all, it will give you all succeed is going to appear in blue color. Let me go ahead, please. Continue. Conditional formatting, new rules, format only that contains, and you click equal to. You click here, which is failure. You apply a format which is red here. You click here, it is going to apply for this. You can see those who failed are in red color, those who succeed are in. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up, and put in the comment what I may put in the next video. Thank you very much.